Welcome all to Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to focus on using trays to organize random functional items in your home. So I know all of you have different sizes of trays everywhere in your home, and sometimes you just don't know what to do with those trays. So we're going to give you some examples, and the first one is, I know many of you probably have had at one point in time a tray like this, and usually you'll see these trays on like a coffee table or in the kitchen. So this one, we're gonna pretend like it's on a coffee table. And what are some of the items that you maybe would put in that tray and make it look cute at the same time? So normally when you're in the living room, you have some kind of reading material, whether it's a magazine or a book. We're gonna put a book in here. And you always have remotes. I know we have more than one remote, but for this example, you can put your remote in the tray so that they're not just all over. And then to make it more cute, we're adding in that nature item, and I'm just gonna place this right on top of the book. And then of course, it's always nice to add candles to this. So to a coffee table. I know I always have candles burning, so we will put that in there. And there's several other items that you could put in there, but it's kind of nice to have these on your coffee table because then it hides the clutter of your reading materials and the remotes that are everywhere.
You might even set a wine glass in here if you're having a little glass of wine.
That's right. And this just makes it look more clean and simple and nice.
Very
so,
good.
You got another tray, Carol?
I do.
All right.
Which one was it? The gold medal tray? This silver fluted tray could be handy to use on a counter in your mudroom as you come in the door or go out the door. And it could be used to hold items such as your sunglasses. Take them off or put them on. You'll be able to find them when you leave again. Nowadays, we all have to have a place for our mask. So this would be a handy place. You'll always know where it is. Perhaps your key holder. That would be nice to know where that is when you're ready to go. Maybe some lip gloss. As you're going out the door, you gotta make sure you have that, and perhaps even some hand sanitizer. So just makes it nice. Everything's in one place. It's not all over the counter, and especially with kids too nowadays, it's so nice to have a catch-all place that keeps it all contained instead of everywhere when you're walking out the door. So this is a nice way to do that. Function is the name of the game.
All right. Maybe switch this up.
All right.
All right, and then now we have this gold tray, and this we were thinking maybe if you had it on your desk in your office,
Or even on a kitchen counter.
But so instead of just having all your items on your desk everywhere, this could be the more decorative catch-all. So you often find pens, and it's nice to have an actual item to put the pens in instead of just throwing it on the tray. And then of course, you'll always find notepads on your office desk.
Grocery list, prayer list.
These are tissues. You always got to keep those tissues handy. You're gonna go like that. And then, if you're like us, you got to bring in some kind of decorative item. So we have some fresh flowers here. The water doesn't look so fresh, but. And then hand sanitizer, of course. And some lotion. And then, if you're Carol, she sometimes needs a Snickers because she gets hangry.
You know when I get hangry.
So we got to have that on our desk here. So this is just a nice way to keep things from not spilling all over your desk and keeping them contained and looking pretty at the same time.
And they look nice, yes.
They
And they
look
taste
nice.
good.
They taste good, yes. So those are our tips for this Tip Tuesday. I hope that you found some of them helpful, and we will talk to you
A
next.
place for everything and everything in its place.
Yes, that's it. Bye.